You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Okay, guys. So, as you have heard all across social media, we're working on new merchandise. We just partnered with a new company. We thank you guys for coming to the channel. We ask that you check out our new designs. We've been working really hard with this company. We're really excited about them. We want you to partake in them. There'll be beanies for the holidays. There'll be new shirts already up there. We'll do a whole bunch of new products. So once again, even if you don't buy any merchandise, please at least subscribe to the channel. It always helps us. We got a team of people now, so any support we get, we thank you guys. Okay, so as you guys know, the Cooking with Jack show has partnered with ThermoPro, which is meat thermometers, because their Tempspike is like my favorite all time on the show. 15 years meat thermometer that has worked. Cooking with Jack show has reviewed a lot of meat thermometers. This one takes the cake. All right, guys, so here is today's video test is the Tempspike Plus. Now, the Tempspike, which should be on everybody's Christmas list, okay? There's a link down below. I love this device. Magnetic. It slides right into your meat. This end tests your meat, tells you how far along it is, and alerts your phone. This shows ambient temperature. And the Tempspike Plus means instead of 500 feet, you can go 600 feet. And we're going to test out the Tempspike Plus and go to the back of the house and see if we can still get a reading. This is going to be inside the oven closed, all right? First, we're going to do mustard as a binder. We're going to have layers and layers on this. That's good. And then you get to rub that all in. Yummy. And then we'll do it on that one over there, too. We'll do them both the same. And that's the first layer. Then we're going to heavily season the top of this with honey hog seasoning. So we've got mustard, we got seasoning, and then when we wrap it, we're gonna wrap it in sauce and butter. This could be so good. Do the same to the other side. And we're gonna watch and let the Tempspike tell us when it's done. We're gonna cook to 165, okay? We're gonna wrap it with butter and sauce, put it back in the oven, cook to 205. Take the lid off, right? Mm-hmm. Pull the Tempspike out. It's all been charging all night.
So the green flash.
So the green flashes when what?
When it's fully charged.
Okay, when it's fully charged, it's no longer red. It flashes green, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, find the media spot in the middle of your ribs. And then
Stay away from all bones.
Stay away from the bones and pierce the meat only. Not even between the bones, just like it shows right there. Okay, like the top layer of meat. We're gonna cook that to, once again, 165. Then we're gonna do our next step. Guys, I'm gonna show you now, really quick, the app. We're gonna test it out right now. All right, guys, so I'm in the back, furthest room of my house from the oven. I may be too far. I may be more than 600 feet. Well, really, it's supposed to go to 600 feet. I'm almost positive I'm within 600 feet. There we go. 55 degrees. Target's 165. Ambience 244. It's picking up a reading, and this is inside my oven. So you want to know if it works inside the oven? Yes. You want to know if it works inside the oven at 600 feet? Yes. We just proved it. All right, guys. So this is the new addition to our family. Hey, Zoe. Zoe, hey. Wake up. Wake up, girl. She's so beautiful. Anyway. Her and Hope play all day long. Oh, she's looking at me. She knows I'm talking about her now. But anyway, she is a wonderful dog, very loving. And her name is Zoe, Z-O-E-Y. All right, guys, so we have lined up the butter cubes again. And you put a little barbecue sauce in there. Then we're gonna take the ribs that are at 165. You normally wrap them in paper or foil. We're gonna lay the meaty side down on top of that and then wrap it, okay? We've done this before. This is amazing. We're doing it again. So here we go. Perfect. So now all that beautiful butter will melt and we'll have it all wrapped. We're gonna cook it at 205. So let me set the temp spikes to 205 and then we're done. We'll try it out. All right, the temp spike alerted us that we reached above 200. I think we're at 205 right now. So now we're gonna open them up and then try them out. Wow, it just gushed all the way. Look at that. My whole camera is, oh, look at all those bones. My whole camera is all fogged up here. Got a nice puddle of butter and sauce. So what I'm probably gonna do is brush a little bit on the backside before we serve this up and try it out. Okay, so if you want to win one of these, tune in Saturday mornings to the live show. I'll be doing giveaways throughout the year. You can see, look, it's just falling apart. These cut so easy. They're buttery, they're saucy. We're gonna take these and we're going to try them out right now. All right, here we go. They're really good. Okay. These are more than perfect. They're not falling off the bone. You have to give it a little tug. All right? So that's it. You guys try it out. Grab yourself a Tempspike. Link down below. The new one is the Tempspike Plus. That's what I got. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.